Denny Pearson. Number 3 on the grid. Number 3 on the grid. Don't worry, just stay right there. Number 3 on the grid. Jeff Will. Our number 2 qualifier. Purple to green. Clayton Cartalucca. And tonight's TQ. White and blue. Doug Austad. Drivers, it's going to be a long main. Make sure your toes are behind that yellow line. The tone's going to be me. The tone's going to be me. Parsons get you in spots. Everybody all marched up. Drivers, it's going to be on the tone, on the tone. Austin 5. Woo! They are moving. Up and down the back wall they work. Oh, a little trouble from Pearson. He just dropped back a spot. Nicely done through the crowd though. They work through. Oh, Denny and, it looks like, not Denny, Glenn and Michael contacting him backwards. This is Doug Austad playing with right there. Will, a late hang tight Malooly. Peterson. Reed. 8, 9, 10 spot. Very close out there. Oh, and tap for Austin will put it upside down and go back to 3. As Will will get caught. That'll get Will up to 2 and back to 3. Right there, Pearson, Malooly, Peterson though making their way to the front though. And separating out. Look at the takeaway. Cartalucca is taking the lead. Those 3 tenths of the line. We'll see if they'll separate right off Doug's pass until we work in traffic. Cartalucca is behind here. Austin in 2. He's back 3.64 tenths to Jeff. Pass by Cartalucca 17-6. Will, Pearson, Malooly, Peterson, Reed, Dennis Adams, Mendoza. Upside down, Austin goes in too hard. Zach will try to look inside. That didn't work at all. These guys tearing it up as they make their way around the track. Off the front chute, they're going to turn around, get back on their wheels. Cartalucca, Will, Austad, Pearson, Reed, Peterson, Dennis, Malooly, Adams, Mendoza. 6:44 to go. Trouble midsection. Back on the wrong side. Oh, inside. He's going inside. There he goes. Oh, Mike and Reed turning around. They're getting themselves straightened out. Oh, Malooly will put it there on. Almost take him to the knee. And just slow that step just enough. Will 5 tenths back on our leader, Cartalucca out front. Pearson up to 3, 5.8 off of that. Cartalucca has scored. Will lose some gap this time by. And he's got a beer full of Austad looking for room. 3 tenths left on the game by him. They've got traffic. Malooly in the 8th spot, 5 tenths back on Mendoza. He'll get the pass. Nice, Doug. Doug ran down the straightaway on 2 wheels. He used 2 different wheels sets to do that with. Or look at Will Pearson, Austad, Dennis Reed, Malooly, Mendoza. 5:22 to go, guys. 5:22 to go. Malooly rolls it over and he'll put it back on his wheels to pull away. He'll save it, bring it inside, 4:55 to go. Will 1.6 on Cartalucca, 3 back to Doug, 2 back to Denny. 9 back to Mike. Malooly 4 tenths to Reed, Mendoza 6 on that. Reed totally sideways on the straightaway, Mason though. Goes back up to block. Mendoza and Adams trying to go right. Oh, Brian Struck doesn't want to go. Cartalucca keeping Will behind him. Was the 10th last time out. We drove those. They work through traffic. Cartalucca gets a nice little line. Will gets a little shut over at the wheel. Austad back 8.44 seconds to Pearson. Mike trying to chase them down. He'll be on the line. He's 6.5 back to Malooly. We have one here. Cartalucca upside down. Here comes Will for the lead. Will has got it. Clayton with a rollover on his own gives Jeff the lead. He has stretched up to 3.5 seconds. We'll see where he's going to go. Will by scoring. Clayton now working on the back door. He'll sneak it to Dennis. He'll go by 2.5 back on Jeff. So Jeff working on Denny. Clayton now turns the fire up. He's going to pass on 17-3. Will 17-4. Will down the back. He'll come by scoring. 2:58 to go. Cartalucca 1.4 back. Oh, Clayton will tap inside. We'll straighten it out. Work the way up and down the back wall. 2:40 to go, Dark. 2:40 to go. Backstretch, go outside. Backstretch, go outside. Go outside. Go outside. That is clear. Will 2 seconds on Cartalucca. Trying to get there. Malooly rolls it over his field. They get down. Cartalucca can see Will now. So that's getting close with 2:15 to go. Clayton and Will working until they got a front roll and up to the back wall. Oh, Clayton goes outside. That'll give Jeff a little run. He is in the line. Clayton is by 3.5. Got his way all into a few 10 box. That'll get a little work to do. 1:53 to go, drivers. 1:53 to go. Will, Cartalucca, Austad, Pearson, Denny Pearson, Mendoza, Adams. Clayton looks inside on Reed, gets it over, he'll save it. Seconds on the clock. Cartalucca 2.5 back on Jeff. Jeff into the straightaway. Cartalucca coming down the wall. Just got to keep it clean. Cartalucca trying to get there. Austad in the 3 spot. Pearson, Dennis, Malooly, Mendoza, Adams, Reed. Closing until you get there. 1.9 the gap. Jeff in cruise mode, just trying to take care of it. Clayton digging hard with 25 seconds to go, guys. Austad turns it around on the wall. Gonna get Dawson down and moving. 9 to go, he'll drop lap off, he'll drop off the end of the straightaway. 11 to go, drivers, 11 to go. Cartalucca looking, oh, Cartalucca looking, couldn't get there. Right, sticking it right into the double wheel. Gonna give Will this one. He's gonna go on. He'll get another lap. Cartalucca will be done at the line. Taking home the number 2 spot. Austad will take 3. Pearson at 4. Reed at 9. 10 Dennis. Malooly, Mendoza, and Chuck Will take home the win. Jeff breaks up the last lap. Yeah, we're all done. Everybody, even including broken Will. All right, drivers, fuel owner, transport, all these at the store. We'll meet you immediately out to Marshall. We're gonna go into the open short course A main event. Open short course A main event.